Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your Microsoft account credentials and opening Bing. Sign in is immediate from the site or app. Click the Sign In button at the top right and choose Microsoft account. If you use a work or school account, pick the appropriate organization option. Once done, enter your email or phone and hit Next. This verifies which account you want. Make sure you use a current browser and a stable internet connection, so the authentication page loads cleanly and securely. Now enter your account identifier and press Next, then type your password. If you prefer, choose passwordless sign-in like a security key or Microsoft Authenticator. That reduces phishing risk. When prompted for multi-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app or confirm the text /email code. Approve the notification to continue. If you're on a shared device, uncheck Persist Sign-In. For personal devices, you can stay signed in. These choices control security and convenience, so pick what matches your risk and usage. Finish by confirming your account and choosing any personalization prompts. Make sure to sign out on public or shared devices. You can manage active sessions from account. Microsoft. If you encounter errors like incorrect password, use the Reset Password link and follow identity verification steps. For account lockouts or suspicious activity, run the recommended security checks and change your password immediately. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cookies and cache or try a private window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.